Usa ka flag, sir.
Japan.
Sa country, ma'am. Guess sa country.
Cambodia na. Captain America. Pakistan.
UK. Sir, excuse me, sir. Kung matagal yung flag, sir, naka-price, sir. Kung matagalin mo ang flag, matagalin mo. Binaka mo try? Usa ka flag, sir. Uy, nabangin kami. Usa ka flag.
Kan. Saan eh? Ukraine mo na?
Ukraine? Final answer. Ukraine is wrong. Ikaw, try ka man? Ikaw, sir, try ka, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Usa ka flag, sir.
Japan.
Final answer, sir.
Japan.
Japan is wrong. Usa ka flag, sir.
Korea.
Korea? Asa sa Korea? North or South Korea? South. South, final answer?
Oh.
South is correct! Sir, naka 5 piso, sir. Inflation. 5 na yan. Guess the flag. Guess the flag. Naka-price mo, kung matagal na niyo, ma'am. Ali.
Thailand.
Guess the flag.
Thailand.
Final answer? Thailand is correct! Naka 5 pesos, ma'am. Guess the flag, sir. Kung matagalan mo, sir, naka-price. Guess the flag, sir. Isa, try lang.
Captain America.
It's wrong! Ikaw, sir. Guess the flag, sir. Try.
Pili ka na naman ang isip ko.
5, 4,
Pili ka na naman ang isip
3,
ko.
Pakistan.
Pakistan is wrong! Nice try. Thank you. Wala akong sinisurprise. Oy, ato na bawiya sa yung gikanan. Oh, itanong yung bulsa. Parang bulsa. Oh, mana.
Gamit plastic.
Kala. Last ka. Anong? Guess the flag mo kung matagalan mo na kay price. Guess the flag. Try. Basin niya.
Sarap lang gali.
Thailand.
Thailand? Final answer. Thailand?
Murag di ba?
Murag di dyan. Last chance.
Sa Spanish man yun.
Spanish. Okay. Loading. Let's try. Okay. Another try. Wagid. Absent ka na, Bela. Kini, last chance, ha. Yes, sir, kini.
Thailand.
Final answer.
Final.
Thailand is correct! Naka 5 pesos, sir. 5 pesos! Ay, okay. Guess the country, ma'am. Guess the country. Yeah, sir. Guess the country, sir. Yeah, ma'am. Try lang, ma'am. Try. Well, mo naghanga ka please, ma'am. Magikapoy mo nagdangas. Wala idea. Ikaw, sir. Guess the country, sir. Wa. Sige, next try. Thank you, sir. Guess the flag, ma'am. Kung matagalan niyo, ma'am, naka-price.
Cambodia.
No coaching, ha?
Cambodia na.
Cambodia? Final answer, ma'am.
Cambodia.
Cambodia is wrong. Ikaw, ma'am. Try. Sige, ma'am. Ikaw, sir. Alin, sir. UK. Final. UK is wrong. Ala. Last chance. Give up. Last chance, ma'am.
Indonesia.
Indonesia?
Yes.
Indonesia is correct. Ma'am. Naka 5 pesos. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, ipalit na naman kanila, ma'am. Ha? Happy na dagot, ha? Sige, thank you, ma'am. Okay ra ito sa Facebook? Okay ra? Thank you.